In this video, I'll show you how you can find the Roblox server region of a game you want to play. Now first you have to install BT Roblox, which is a really popular add-on. It has 4 million users, 4.2 stars. Just search for it on the Chrome Web Store and add it to your Chrome. Now once you've done that, reload your Roblox page, just like this. Come up to the settings, find BTR settings. Now in here you want to scroll all the way down, find advanced, click on the drop down menu here and select region. Now once you've done this, you're gonna click exit, find the game that you want to check. So let's say I want to do this one. I can scroll down and find servers, and from in here you should see region, Germany, Netherlands, Singapore, as you can see right here. So that's the way that you can find the region of a Roblox server. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.